Library Quick Guide to Reserving a Book. Reserving a book. If there's a book that you need, but it's out on loan, you can place a hold on that title. This sends an automated message to the library staff, and when the book is returned, it gets flagged that you have requested the book. So first of all, make sure that you're logged into your library account. Then search for the book that you need, and on the right-hand corner of the book screen, click on Place Hold. Choose the campus you want to pick it up from, and place hold again. Remember, at busy times there might be a waiting list for core texts. You can log back into your account and go to the Holds tab and cancel a hold at any time. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryros@gllm.ac.uk, or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondriflolib.